If you're designing a kitchen and want refrigeration that disappears into the cabinetry but performs like a premium appliance, Fisher & Paykel columns are worth a serious look. These aren't just panel-ready fridges, they're built around flexibility, food preservation, and true flush integration. Today, I'm breaking down what makes their refrigeration columns different, who they're best for, and why designers keep specifying them. As referenced, there are 3 different styles of refrigeration you can configure, first being here with the integrated style. This is designed to truly match your cabinetry that blends into the kitchen, creating a contrast with stainless steel accents. Next is the contemporary, that's going to showcase that timeless stainless steel with clean lines, and it's designed to coordinate effortlessly into the kitchen. Lastly is the professional, that features heavy uses of stainless steel and bold handles, pairing strong design with other professional appliances that match for a nice cohesive look. There are also 2 different refrigeration column series to choose from, the first being the 9 series. It's solid integrated column refrigeration with great food care and flexibility, the reliable classic. And then you have the Series 11 that is more refined, has premium interiors with better energy efficiency, upgraded controls, smart features, and enhanced interior design elements. So if you want the newest features, elevated interior quality, and tech like connectivity and improved efficiency, the Series 11 is the step up. Let's quickly touch over some of the brand features. First is their ActiveSmart Foodcare. This has smart sensors, an inverter compressor, and controlled airflow to maintain steady temperatures and humidity, keeping the food fresher with fewer temperature fluctuations. Next is the variable temperature zones. One temperature doesn't fit everything. Variable temperature zones let you tailor each compartment for different foods and drinks. Switch between pantry, fridge, or chill at any time you need. Specifically the pantry mode, not everything needs to be kept cold. Pantry mode goes between 52 to 54 degrees Fahrenheit and creates a cool, dark environment that's ideal for foods like bread, nuts, grains, cereals, and fruits such as tomatoes, bananas, and avocados. Select models include a discreet, stainless-lined interior water dispenser for filtered water without disrupting the exterior panel. And last but not least, the interior design itself. It'll feature adjustable glass shelving, multiple LED zoning lights that'll be on the ceiling, side, and on the bins, 4 adjustable door shelves, gallon-sized door storage for those large containers, and of course, a nice soft-close produce bin and stackable bottle holders are the standard. When it comes to the installation, there are some key concepts to remember. The first being how a true flush installation requires the utmost precision. Cabinet depth has to be exact once the panels are added. Even a slight overbuild can leave the unit sticking out of the cabinetry. Next is the panel weight and thickness. Oversized or overweight door panels can cause hinge sag or even door misalignment, so be sure to double check the design and the specs here. And side-by-side pairing kits need a joiner kit, so without the correct kit, paired columns can shift, separate, or lose alignment over time. And also to make note, ventilation is toe kick only. Blocking the lower grill with custom millwork, paneling, or floor changes will compromise cooling and could void a warranty. So make sure you have proper alignment towards the floor. Ask yourself, could this be something for you? It could be if you want more control over everyday food storage rather than a single fixed temperature box. Designers who need flexible integrated layouts, not just a one-size configuration. Or if you prioritize smart organization and food preservation over simple brand prestige. So, how is Fisher Paykel refrigerator columns positioned within the industry? They're built for true flush integration with tight tolerances. This will be ideal for designers and clients focused on perfect alignment and finishes. You'll have adjustable temperature zones that adapt to changing storage needs, and they're designed for daily usability with interiors that prioritize access and visibility as much as the exterior look. And of course, naturally, there will be common questions. An example could be, hey, I don't need variable zones. That's fine. The value isn't constantly switching. It's having the ability to tune storage when your habits change, instead of being locked into one temperature forever. Or other brands have panel-ready refrigerators too. Panel-ready isn't the differentiator. Consistent flush, fit, and finish, and predictable installation comes across all their layouts, and this is where the platform for Fisher & Paykel really stands out. As we finish up, I'm going to leave you with 3 things to remember. First being that Fisher & Paykel leads with performance and food care first. Design matters, but at this level, Food is being stored intentionally, rather just hidden behind panels. Designers and clients alike know that Fisher Paykel makes some of the most beautiful integrated refrigeration units in the market today, so prepare for something beautiful. And lastly, Fisher & Paykel is known for flexibility, not just size. The value here is control over fresh food storage as habits change, not how many cubic feet you can stack on a spec sheet. And that's our video, everyone. If you enjoyed our content, please be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any weekly content. Thank you.